to cooking with the Haja. I'm a Haja Elohim. Shouts out to all my plant-based vampires, all my vegetarians trying to become vegan, all my carnivores trying to become vegetarians or whatever the case may be. Come on in as we get these pots jumping. Well, today they're not going to be jumping because I'm going to test my baking skills. I'm trying to make a marble sweet potato pie. Yeah, a marble sweet potato pie. Now, how you going to make a marble sweet potato pie?
Let me show you. Here go the ingredients. We got orange, purple sweet potatoes. We got brown sugar. We got graham cracker crumbs. We got Florida cane sugar. We got some vegan butter. And once again, we got purple and orange sweet potatoes. Purple and orange sweet potatoes boiling. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick that I do when I make my cheesecakes or any pies I make. I always line my pan with parchment paper. That way when I cut my dessert, it's always easy to come out the springboard or whatever pan that I'm cooking my dessert in. So it might just take you a while to get it where it needs to be. You just got to play with it a little bit. Then once you get it on in there, just lock it right on in place. Like I say, it might take you a while to fidget with it for a little bit. There we go. Now all you want to do is just get some scissors and cut off the excess paper. Just trim off the excess parchment paper. You won't want to catch nothing on fire unless you want the roof to be on fire. Your neighbors don't give a fuck, they gon' let that bitch burn, mother. Now, there you go. Just like that. Let's go ahead and make our crust for our pie. And, of course, we got our graham cracker crumbs. I know y'all like, dang, he using measuring cups this time? Yeah, just like the only time y'all gonna see me using measuring cups is when I'm baking. Your measurements got to be precise. So I won't be freestyling with this one. That's good. Like I say, once again, we just gonna make a simple graham cracker crust. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Florida cane sugar right now. I like to use that Florida cane sugar, being from Florida and all, we got to hold it down. Keep that money in the state. Now we just want to stir up our Florida cane sugar with our graham cracker crumbs. I like to do it like this. That way I know I get all my sugar mixed in with my graham cracker crumbs before I add my butter. Because once you add the butter, your graham cracker crumbs going to start to clump up. And it might be hard to get the sugar evenly distributed through all the graham cracker crumbs. So now we'll get ready to go ahead and add our vegan butter. As you can see, it's soy free. I try to stay away from soy as much as possible. Yeah, and you should too. Just gonna add our butter. Stir a little bit in at a time. You want to stir as you add your butter. That way they'll all just clump up in one spot and it's hard to get the graham cracker crumbs evenly moist. So all you want to do is moisten up the graham cracker crumbs a little bit so they'll stick. That's good. We're just gonna stir it up a little bit. Now that we all stirred up, we're gonna spray our pan with some coconut cooking spray. We just want to add our graham cracker crumbs to our pan. And we want to press our graham cracker crumbs from the inside out. Yeah, we just want to pat everything down, make sure it's nice and tight. As you can see, I'm starting to fall on the edges of the pie. Got to make sure my edges on fleek. Yeah. All right, we're just going to gently press the graham cracker crumbs. Make sure everything nice and packed really tight before we put this in the oven and let it bake off for a few minutes. Yeah. I think this should be about good. Yeah, that'll do it. All right, let me go ahead and take this graham cracker pie crust out the oven. Let it cool down before we put our pie filling in it. As you can see, the sweet potatoes are done. If you've never seen a purple sweet potato before, there you go. Of course, everybody know what the traditional orange look like. All right, now it's time to separate, segregate, and divide our sweet potatoes. This side right here, we're gonna put our orange sweet potatoes. And over here, we're gonna put our purple sweet potatoes. As you can see, the purple sweet potatoes, they have a different texture than the orange sweet potatoes. They really taste the same. The purple may be a little more richer. But yeah, we just gonna divide these up so we can add our spices. Just want to mash them up. Mash up the orange. Now let's mash up the purple sweet potatoes. Okay, let's season them up. We're gonna start with our Florida cane sugar. Add some Florida cane sugar to both of the sweet potato pie filling. Now we're gonna add our cinnamon, some ground cinnamon. Time for some allspice. A little allspice in both of the pie fillings. So we need a little bit. Yes, we have some cardamom. Some ground cardamom seeds. Oh yeah. And brown sugar. We're just gonna add some brown sugar. We're gonna add 1 egg to each. If you want this to be vegan, all you gotta do is just add some egg replacement. You can use egg replacement instead of the eggs if you want this to make this a vegan sweet potato pie. So we're just gonna mix our ingredients together real good. Make sure we get everything stirred up really, really, really good. All right, time to add our pie filling. We're gonna start with the orange sweet potato first. Go ahead and spread that out nice and evenly all the way up to the top of the crust. Now for the purple, we just want to splotch it down. Maybe a couple splotches. That should be good. And I'm using this springboard for a reason. I want to make this a big pie. Now, this way I'm gonna get marbleized. I'm gonna make some swirls. I'm not gonna go too deep because I don't want to scrape the pie crust. So I just want to go deep enough where I can see the purple starting to blend in with the orange. And just make some swirls. Once again, don't want to go too deep. Okay, this how it look before it go in the oven. Ooh, you know it look good. Ooh, already. Okay, time to take this marble sweet potato pie out of the oven. Let's go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Marble sweet potato pie. Ain't nobody doing this. Ooh, you know it look good. You know it look good. Oh yeah, let's get on into it. Go ahead and cut a slice of this marble sweet potato pie. Cut a nice little size piece. Look at this. See how easy it come off? Told you. Perfect. Ooh, you know it look good. Marble sweet potato pie. Ooh, you know it look good. If it look good, don't waste no time. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. You know it look good.
Trying to see what this marble sweet potato pie tastes like. Ready to go ahead and get into it. How you do that though? That boy good. That marble sweet potato pie. Using the orange and the purple sweet potato. Yo, ain't nobody doing it like this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. The Mo Cooking with a Haja. It's a Haja Elohim. More holistic cuisine on the way. You know it look good.